Ever wondered how to get a transcript or a copy of Form W-2 wage and tax statement from the IRS? It's a common question that arises especially during tax season. So, here's a step-by-step guide to help navigate this process. Step 1. Identify your need. The IRS provides two options: a transcript or an actual copy of your W-2 form. A transcript shows most line items from your tax return as it was originally filed, including your adjusted gross income. It's free of charge and is generally sufficient for mortgage and student loan applications. On the other hand, a copy of your W-2 form is exactly what it sounds like, an exact copy of the form you filed. However, this option comes with a $50 fee and may take up to 75 days to process. So, determine which option best suits your needs. Step 2. Request a transcript online. Go to the IRS website, find the Get Transcript option and follow the instructions. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your social security number, date of birth, filing status, and mailing address from your latest tax return. If you need an actual copy of your W-2, Step 3 is to complete Form 4506. Include your payment and mail it to the appropriate IRS address listed on the form. Remember, the IRS keeps tax return information for the current year and for the past 6 years, so if you need information from more than 6 years ago, you may be out of luck. In summary, getting a transcript or a copy of your W-2 form is a straightforward process. Identify your need, request a transcript online, or complete Form 4506 for a copy, and wait for the IRS to process your request. Just bear in mind the difference in cost and processing time between a transcript and an actual copy. And there you have it, a simple guide to getting a transcript or a copy of your W-2 form. It's not a daunting task once you know the steps. Happy tax filing!